Hello everyone, welcome to another quick tutorial. In this video I will show you how to adjust icon size on your home screen in Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. First of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down, click on home and lock screen, click on home settings, click on icon size. Now here you will see icon size slider, and if you want to increase icon size, then this slider move to right, and if you want to decrease size, then this slider move to left. By this slider you can increase or decrease icon size from your phone. This is how you can adjust icon size on your home screen in Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.